Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 6 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about Blade templates. Blade is the inbuilt templating engine for Laravel framework. Blade is a very powerful and easy to use templating engine that makes writing syntax very easy and readable. Blade templating engine comes with its own control structure such as conditional statements and loops. It is very easy to create Blade template. So simply create your view file and save it with the .blade.php file extension. Blade templates are typically stored in the views directory inside the resource folder. Okay, so now let's create a Blade template file. So go to the project, just open IDE Visual Studio Code and inside this project click on resources folder and just click on views. Okay, and here right click and click on new file and just type here view name, blade name. uh, let's say blade name is test dot blade dot php. Okay, blade template file is now created here. Inside this blade file I am going to type here a message like inside h1 tag test blade. Okay, all right, now save this file and access this blade view. We will have to create a route, so go to the web.php file. For that just click on routes folder and after that web.php file, and here just create a route. So just press enter and type here route get inside the single quote just type here forward slash and URI which is test. Okay, comma callback function. So just type here function and curly bracket start and close. Inside the curly bracket just return view. Okay, so type here return view or view name is test. Okay, inside the single quote just type here test. Now terminate with semicolon, also put here semicolon. Now save the web.php file and now go to the browser and just type here localhost colon 8000 slash test. Okay, now press enter. Alright, test blade. This text is coming from the test blade file. Alright, now let's see how can we create a variable inside the blade template file. So go to the project and just click on test.blade.php file, and here for typing PHP code in Blade template, we use @PHP directives. So just I am typing here @PHP and end with @end PHP, and inside this @PHP directives, just create a variable. Let's say variable name is @name is equal to Jennifer. Okay, spelling mistake Jennifer, and terminate with semicolon. Now save this file. Alright, now print this name variable value inside the blade file using double curly bracket. So just type here double curly bracket, and before the curly bracket I am typing here hello. Inside the curly bracket just type here variable name which is name. Okay, now save the file and check it on the browser. So go to the browser and here just refresh the browser. You can see here hello Jennifer. All right, now let's see the if statements. First create an array here. So just go to the go inside at the rate php directives and just create a array variable. So I am just typing here dollar fruit. Fruit is an array here. Okay, fruits, and array type some element here. So mango, orange, all right, and apple, apple, all right. Now terminate with semicolon. Okay, now use this array inside the if directive. So just type here if and put here condition like if count dollar fruits is equal to 1, then just print a message uh, single fruit. Okay, without curly bracket, single fruit. All right, here at the rate else if count at the rate fruits, all right, is greater than 1. If fruits is greater than 1, then just print here more than 1 fruits. Okay, in last else if both condition will be failed false, then execute this statement. So just type here else no fruit. Okay, and in last and if. All right, now save the file. Let's check it on the browser. So just refresh this page. You can see here more than 1 fruits. All right, uh, if I change this array and just remove these two elements. So just delete and save the file. Now refresh the page. You can see a single fruit. And if when I remove all the uh, element from this array, and when I save this file and just refresh this, you can see here no fruit. Okay, all right. Now let's see the loop in blade template. Let's see at the rate for directive first. So here I am just typing here at the rate for $I is equal to 1, $I is less than and equal to 10, $I plus plus. Okay, and terminate with at the rate int4. And just print here inside the double curly bracket $I, or just break this line with break br tag. Okay, now save the file and just refresh this page. Okay, all right, there is some mistake here $I. Okay, now save the file and just refresh. You can see here 1 to 10. Okay, all right, now let's see at the rate for each directive. So before saying the at the rate for each, I am just adding some element inside the array. So just retype here mango, apple, orange. All right, Now let's see the for each. So just type here for each dollar fruit as dollar fruit. Okay, now inside the for each just print dollar fruit and break this statement line br tag, save the file and just refresh the page. You can see here mango, apple, orange using for each. Alright, now let's see the ternary operator. For understanding ternary operator, just create a variable here inside the @php directive. Just type here @is and assign with value 18. Okay, and now uh, just here create another @php directives and in php. Alright, and here just okay, in this way just type here curly bracket. Okay, and here is greater than or equal to 18 and question mark you are adult, an adult. Okay, colon sign you are not an adult. Alright, now save the file and if I refresh this page you can see here you are an adult. Alright, if this condition is true then this part will be printed, and if this condition is false this part will be printed. Okay, so if I change this age value with 12 and now save the file, switch to the browser and just refresh this page, you can see here you are not adult. Alright, Blade template engine provides @include directives for including a view inside another view. The child view will have all the variables that are available to parent view. Okay, for understanding @include directive, just add another view. So go to the views folder and just create here a new blade which is headers dot blade dot php. Okay, now press enter and I am just going to type here a simple message header. Okay, header blade. Alright, now I am just going to add this headers blade inside the test blade. Okay, so just type here just before @php I am just going to type here @include and here blade name which is headers. Okay, now save the file and just refresh the page. You can see here header blade. Okay, so so in this way you can use blade template in Laravel. So that's all about blade templates. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.